The issue with today's vehicle was that it had a misfire on cylinder 1 due to an internally shorted injector. So the injector was giving us a pretty bad misfire, and what we did is we removed the upper intake and replaced the injector. And then while I was there, I replaced all the ignition coils that are underneath that side of the intake. Now, what I would rather have done was to replace all of the injectors at the same time, but this is one of the fleet vehicles that's going to be turned out of service here soon. So we let the client know that there is a chance that he may have an additional injector fail, but he wanted to just try to limp this thing along until his new vehicle that he ordered came in. So the benefit of using something like us as a service provider is that we can come to you on site while you're continuing to work, and we fix and service your car for you.